Okay, everybody, today we're on page 640 and we're going to talk about our parabolas, x squared, our parabolas, and we're going to stretch them. So it's going to be a vertical stretch or shrink, okay? So we know the x squared equation is a parabola and has this shape, okay? So I put in blue. So I know that they all look something like this. Every parabola. So one of the things we did is we took our numbers and we squared them, okay? So we went 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, we got 3 squared is 9, and we actually did those. So we started at 0, 1 squared is 1, I'm on the blue, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, I'm on the blue. That's my parent function. Now, if I were to take n of x, which is going to be a 1/2 x squared, we just take half of those heights. So instead of 1 squared is 1, I'd go up to a 1/2. Okay, 2 squared is 4, but I go half 4, which is up to 2. 3 squared is 9, but I'm going to half that, so I'm going to go up to 4.5. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4.5. I'm going to have a line of symmetry, so I can fold the points to the other side. Okay. On the other graph, the p of x is 2x squared. It's going to be twice as tall. Well, tall is a little bit tough because they're all tall, but it's really going to be a stretch, a vertical stretch of 2. So instead of 1 squared is 1, I double it and go up to 2. 2 squared is 4, but instead of 4, I double it and go up to 8. 3 squared is 9, but double that, I go all the way up to 18. And again, I have a line of symmetry. I can flip it, okay? So what the points become is half the y value or twice the y value, okay? Now, the other one's a little bit confusing because we always know that if it's anything on the inside, you're going to do the opposite. So this is actually going to be 1/3 as wide. So if I take a look at this one right here, it's wider, right? It's not taller, but it's wider, okay? And then this one, 1/3 on the outside, is 3 times as wide. So here's the one that's 3 times as wide. Oops, there's my 3 times as wide. There's my 1/3 as wide, okay? Another way to look at this makes it easier is not worry about the width, but make it 9 times as tall, or a stretch of 9, or 1/9 as tall, okay? And so then the book shows the same thing on this page. It's just the opposite. It's just the opposite. So whatever the value b is, instead of making it the value of b, it's 1/b. And whatever b is, it's a 1/b, okay? So when you got a 1/3 here, they changed it to 3 times as wide, okay? And so that's what we had today, including our homework, which was lesson 3-2. Okay, so if you get confused, come see me.